Oh my God, babe. I gotta tell you something. I'm pregnant. By who? What do you mean by who? By you. Who said it was mine? Babe, what? Stop playing. Babe. I'm not your babe. What? What do you mean? Like you've never talked to me like this before. What are you doing? Babe, why are you packing? Babe! Stop packing! Babe! Like, what? Whoa. Why your stomach just moved? What are you talking about? Why your belly button just jumped? What that baby trying to get into? Like, I don't understand. Like, why are you acting like this?